hair video in a long time, and I thought this would be a good one to share because I am currently I usually wash my hair like 2 to 3 times a week. I like to let like the natural oils be in it so that way it keeps it healthier on the bottoms. So right now with everything that's going on, quarantine and all that stuff, I figured it was a good time to go a couple of extra days longer to see how long it can last with more oil training. Right now, let's see, it's like day 4-ish, which is where I think my limit is. I'm gonna try to go past it to maybe 5 days, but anyway, this is the first hairstyle. I started with this one because it's really simple. I don't think I need to explain it. Any barrettes that you have that are really cute, these are pearls on them. I have these that I actually made that have some crystals, and they just look really cute if you just place them in. I mean, you can even wear them together, but just like pop them in the sides of your hair, part your hair down the middle. And if it's greasy up here, you really don't see it as much, and you'll get another extra day out of wearing it this way. So it's a nice little trick, easy, simple to do, not that much work involved in styling. Actually, none of these looks really have that much work because I feel like it can't be complicated. It can't be something that takes a lot of time, especially I feel like when my hair feels like this, I don't want to mess with it too much. Like, I'm not a big dry shampoo person. I obviously don't want to overstyle with any heat on it because that just makes it worse. If you're trying to keep it healthy, you don't want to put a lot of heat on it. Hope you guys like it. So let me show you the second. All right, this is the second look. Another really simple look. I like wider, thicker headbands. You can leave your part in the middle. I might switch it. I have another headband too that's really sparkly and cute. Ones, I feel like if you're gonna do this, you gotta do the wider style headbands only because it covers up more, it'll hold your hair back, and could look less like you notice the grease. So you'll notice it's a little bit more like has that greasy look and it stays stuck. So this is my hair, how I normally part it. What I will do is I like to take a really cute scrunchie, and I will make sure that this side is very tight to my head, and I'll pull it around. And this one I like, so it's a little like a bow on it. A good side bun. Same. If you guys can see that they're very messy. Like, I'm not making it something that's like takes a lot of time to do. And I think with your hair being like this, you want this to be a little bit messier. You don't want it to look neat unless you're going for a really sleek look and it's like obvious that it's sleek. Otherwise, just go really slight on the side. Well, you guys all know a top knot messy bun. Let me show you that. So what I usually do to get that effect is I will take off the part. Unless you're going for that very slick look, I like to keep the part, you know, somewhat there. Leave this all like sort of just coming back. When it's a little bit oilier, you don't have to do that much work. And then I always have a cute hair. And I just swing it up. And this stays the same. You can see in the back, it's very messy, but it's like less noticeable. That's the key. You just want it to be less noticeable so you can get through the next day. So that way it gives you a little bit longer time, allows you to train your hair. That's the biggest part of oil training, is that once you get used to having your hair go a few days without washing it, it will get used to it. You won't have the oil and you won't have to do all these tricks. You'll be able to style it like you normally style it, and you'll be good to go. But when you're training it, it takes a little bit of time. So it takes like a few times of frequent oil training to get to this point. And that's why I've done 2 days and 3 days and then now 4 days over time, gotten used to that. It wasn't just like a one-time thing. But as you do it, you need to have these hairstyles in mind so that way it kind of gets you through it. I always like to just add barrettes and keep it simple for myself. A side one, and then I do another little side one over here. You can see that there's like so much texture in my hair because little barrettes really work well, and they hold it back just enough that, you know, you have a style, it looks cute. It's sort of youthful, but I think it's fun and kind of can get you through the day. So the last day, I like to do an oil treatment on my hair because I feel like since the oil's already in there, I only do it on the bottoms. I don't do it near the root because I don't want that oil buildup. But there's 3 different oils that I've been using. I like all of them the same. Aveda makes this rosemary oil. It smells amazing. I also have tried this Nita Ayurvedic hair oil. Also works really good. I'll try to put links to all of these. This one is just like a little pump, so you can just pump it in. I let it sit in my hair for like an hour or 2, and then I wash it all out. I usually do a double wash. I'll shampoo twice and condition it after. And then this one by Tahara, I think it's Tahara, Tahara Scalp and Hair Treatment, and this one is a little dropper. And it's so good. It really is. I love putting it in the bottom of my hair. It makes my hair feel amazing. It's gorgeous the day when I wash it. It just overall gives your hair a really good look. So that's what I do. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys can use some of these tips. If you do, tag me on Instagram so I can see what hairstyles you do, which one is your favorite, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again soon.